Hey, yo, what's up everybody? Jesse with Southern Reels Fishing out at one of my favorite places to fish finally this year. It's just perfect conditions today, low current, low winds. Man, I hit up my buddy Jim, he's over here. We're both excited about it because this is one of our favorite times of year is when we can get out here and enjoy this bridge. It's some really good fishing here. So we got some blue crab, fiddler crabs, we got our hand-tied rigs, bottom sweepers. We're just gonna enjoy a full day. Hopefully catch some good stuff today. Ain't that right, bud?
Oh yeah, we'll get them.
Wish us luck. All right, y'all. We usually done hand-tied bottom rigs out here pretty religiously. I'm having great success with these jigs, and I just want to give them a good try today, especially since we're such a low current. Sometimes the current out here can be tricky, and that's why we use the hand-tied rigs with the bigger weights on them, but today it's going to be very mild, and it'll be a good chance for these jigs. I've also learned over the past year and a half that these jigs work really good in clear water conditions because sheepshead can be tricky to catch when the water is very clear. You know, they got them big eyeballs, they can see everything. The bottom sweepers are actually a very good alternative on days when we couldn't catch them because of the clear water, at least on our hand-tied rig. But when we use the sweepers, they work like a champ. Anyway, we're gonna start, just work our way out this morning. Yep, there we go. Yep. It's a smaller one for out here, but it's still a good sheep. Yeah, nice one to start today. Nothing wrong with that. Are you keeping today?
You gonna keep it?
Man, I got so much fish at home. I'm good.
Yeah, if you want to keep it, go ahead.
All right, y'all, trying something fun today. I went to Walmart and bought the absolute cheapest rod and reel combo they had, which is a Zebco Slingshot. Come with a hefty 8-pound test on it, which I did cheat. I got 15-pound braid on here just to give it a shot, but we're gonna see if this thing will catch some fish today. Alrighty, that was fun. Now let's see if I can maybe catch a sheepshead. Because I was not expecting a 44-inch black drum. Yep. Woo. I saw him swim up and grab it. Seriously. And he's a pretty good one too. On the slingshot. Putting the Zebco to work today. Feels like the handle's about to break off of it. Yeah. I mean, I got the strong enough putting line on here to hold anything that the rod can take. Oh yeah, that's a nice one too. Oh, no, oh, he's got another run in him. He won't ready. Hooked him beautiful too. Woo, that was refreshing. Yeah, boy. Oh God, he just slapped me right in the. Oh, that hurt. You. Oh, really, dude? Guess I deserve it. Oh God, he got me good. Oh, 23 3/4. Beautiful fish on the slingshot. $20 rod and reel. There you go. Don't wet me. Wake up. Yep, there we go. I can't tighten the drag down anymore. It's pretty much maxed out. It's a fun fight on this little pole. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Oh. That's definitely a citation.
And you need to throw away that cone and use that little piece of shit.
I know, right? I think it's burning them up. He is, yeah, 24.5. It's wide though. Jesus, look at that thing. That's a bridge beast. See, wake up. Wake up. There you go. Yep, there you are. Definitely can't reel this little, oh, ouch. I'm having to help the drag out because it ain't got enough for these fish. Oh god. Oh yeah. Another nice one. Another nice one. Loaded it. I was hoping you'd make it out, man. That's a beast. How you doing, man? Oh man, excellent, excellent. Yeah, this will be number 4. He is 25 and a half. Woo! Sean timed it perfect. That's a beast. That's what it's all about. I've been waiting all year for this, dude.
That's what I'm trying to get on today, baby.
Man, I'm telling you, they're biting for sure. Here, look at the camera. Smile, dude.
I don't know how many times you take
Smile.
it. I don't smile.
I don't smile.
Look, you got beat up.
Yeah, heck yeah. That's a nice one, man. Yep, that one. Oh, I lost him. I could not get away from the piling. Dang it. This hook is dull. I am amazed what this little Zebco has put up with today. I got the drag all the way as tight as it'll go on this thing. Heck yeah, heck yeah. Woo. Keep touching 24 3/4. Yeah, I still love these stuff. Touch that time. Touch that time. Get away from the piling, yo. Get away, get away. That's it now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another nice one. 24 1/4. That's another one. We're gonna do the dive. Ready? Dude, there's a pie. Yeah, I've had like 6 or 7 bites in a row on it. Yeah, they're loaded on it. Get over there and get you some. Oh, that's the money shot right there. That thing looks monstrous. Dude, that's a big fish, man. That's a big fish.
Oh my god, dude.
That's a sweet picture, man.
Oh.
That is sweet.
Oh.
Yep, right away. Right away, man, I tell you. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get off. I'm gonna lose this one. Probably he's gonna wrap me. Can't get away from the piling. Go drop it up behind that last one. I think I got him clear. Get him while he's not running. Oh, there he goes. Not a run. You definitely can't crank on them. That's what it is. You got to pump and crank. She's tough, man. I am surprised this rod hasn't snapped in two. So, burning again. Come on up here. Let me see you. She's like, no. This thing's digging in my belly. Hurts. Where you at? I see the leader. There you are. Yeah, he's all right. Put one in there. Yeah. Yeah, 25. The teeth on that dude are hilarious. Look at that tooth. You've been chomping. You've been eating it up, haven't you, buddy? Thank you, man. You ready? We're gonna do die. 1, 2, 3. And whoop, there we go.
Must be drum back there, Kella.
Backing away, backing away. Come on up.
Looks like a set.
Oh yeah, that's a good sheep. Heck yeah. I'm in there, in there. He is, man, 25. That's my magic number today, 24 3/4, 25. All I seem to be able to get. It's a beauty though. Ready? I'm going for the dive. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, that's a small one. Well, I thought it was a small one. Well, there he goes. He just realized he's caught. He came up, ran into the bottom of the kayak. That's a nice one. Look at that. Damn. Good God, that's a beast. 13 pounds, 10 ounces, 25 and a half. You're a beast. All right, see you, dude. Oh, there we go. I thought I was on the pile. Oh, clear your rudder. Oh, God, he just did clear it. Yep, 23 and a half. Yeah, buddy. Thank you anyway. See ya. Alright, y'all. I'm pretty good on the sheepshead for today. Yeah, I'm just gonna try jigging for some flounder. Let's do something different. There we go. Feels like a flounder. Yeah, it is. Yes, indeed. That's what I want. Well, y'all wanted me some flounder. It's one thing I haven't caught yet this year. And it didn't take me long, but 3 sets of pilings. I got me one. It's 19 inches. Heck yeah. She's going in the bag. We love some flounder. All right, folks, we're calling it for today. It was a heck of a day. We caught so many sheepshead, we lost count, honestly. Jim tore them up. Buddy Sean over here got a 29 incher. Epic day on the water. Love it. This is my favorite time of year. I'm glad to be out here doing this again. Peace out. See you in the next one.